So I'm very fond of this quote by George Bernard Shaw, and he had said that youth is wasted on the young. Youth is wasted on the young, but not for all. I watched this beautiful film called Super Boys of Malegaon. एक दरअसल एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी सुपर मैन ऑफ मालेगांव मेड अबाउट 10 years ago, जिसमें द डायरेक्टर फायजा अहमद खान had focused on a few very passionate boys from Malegaon who just made movies locally, and they were mostly spoofs. So tell me about the day when you thought, wow, it's a movie in itself.
I think the day I thought, I saw the documentary. I like everybody that's seen the documentary. I just fell in love with the world, with these people that came together and made this film. And Nasir, who is such a charmer, and at the same time, you feel the love for film and the love for cinema, and it's the same as you know. But when I met him, and when I started talking to him, and I started digging a little into his life earlier, that's when I realized this is a film. You know, that his compulsions, his love, his compulsions, and his complete and absolute disregard for what the world has handed him.
Yeah.
You know, and I find that very inspiring. Like, he has not waited for anyone's permission, anyone to validate him, anyone to give a handout to him. He has not waited. I like movies. I'm going to make movies. What is the camera I can afford? Who are the actors I have? Let's do it. And today, the mainstream Hindi cinema that he has spoofed is making a film on him and is inspired by him. And that to me is, it's super inspirational.
Yeah. And Reema, you have directed the film. I think it is for the first time or what? Ki aap, she's producing, you are directing, and neither of you has written or written much. I mean, officially the screenplay. Varun Grover is the one who's credited for it. And I must tell you, ये film देख के एहसास होता है एक फिर से कि on the big screen, less is more.
I had a very lifelike script to bounce off, and full credit to Varun. He's done a wonderful job. And you know, मेरे लिए I'm very comfortable with these small town spaces. Because that was my origin also. So I kind
Where
of...
are you from?
Assam.
Okay.
So I was, I grew up in a small town called Digboy that had only 2 theatres, and there is a love for Hindi films. And there was Nasir and I being from the same generation, there were also similar influences. He was crazy about Mr. Bachchan, so was I. Bruce Lee is a big one for both of us. So there were many similarities. And what struck me about Nasir was that, he made films just for the love of making films. He didn't set out to do anything. It's just an offshoot he ended up creating an entire parallel video film universe, And apart from, even if you took out the filmmaking from the story, it's still so inspirational. Since you've seen the film, it has so many layers that I think speak to such a wide audience.
Yes. Nasir Sheikh, who is the man जिस पे पूरी कहानी बनी हुई है, उनको play करते हैं आदर्श. आदर्श, how to get into the body of it, the mind of the character. मुझे लगा ये चैलेंज रहा होगा.
चैलेंज ये जरूर होता है जब आप एक जीता जागता इंसान को आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आपको प्ले करना है. बट आई थिंक वेरी इनिशियली ओनली रीमा told me that the attempt is not to mimic Nasir but to actually understand his spirit and his soul and his intention. तो मेरा focus उसी पे था. और कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो नासिर भाई करते हैं, there are certain hand gestures. नासिर भाई अपने हाथ को बहुत यूज करते हैं जब वो बात करते हैं. तो जितने उनकी मुंह चलती है उससे ज़्यादा उनकी हाथ चलती है उसी स्पीड पे. तो ये सब कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस थी उनके बाहर, उनके ऊपर जो एकदम सामने से दिख रही थी मुझे. पर उसके अलावा मैंने ये सोचा कि उनके साथ जितना समय बिताया जा सके उतना हेल्प होगा मुझे. सो आई वेंट टू मालेगांव, एक्चुअली स्टेड विद हिम फॉर अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स. वी मेड अ फिल्म टुगेदर दैट नासिर डायरेक्टेड आफ्टर मेनी इयर्स. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंड.
You made a film together?
Yeah.
Okay.
So before we shot for our film, I had an idea and I told Nasir कि why don't you make a film, because it had been a few years since he had made a film. So उन्होंने एक फिल्म बनाई जिसको मैंने प्रोड्यूस किया, मैंने एडी किया, मैंने उसकी डॉक्यूमेंट्री अपनी बनाई है जो भी मैं एडिट कर रहा हूँ. तो there was a lot going on, but yeah, I think, and there are so many interesting things about Nasir also, right? Like, he started out as an editor. He used to put together clips of like different martial art films ताकि बीच की जो dramatic parts है जिनको जिस पे लोग शायद उस टाइम उतना engage नहीं करते वीडियो पार्ट्स में, वो skip कर देते थे और सीधा back to back action चल रहे. So it's such an interesting mind to just sit and analyze and talk to. And I was very lucky that I got to do it with him. being
या
around.
या और इसमें एक जो सीन है आपके और आदर्श के बीच में, जहाँ दोनों के बीच लड़ाई हो जाती है और वो लड़ाई उसूलों की होती है। वो कहता है राइटर बाप है और डायरेक्टर कहता है कि कॉमर्स भी, इश्तिहार जो है वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं। उस सीन के उस दिन के बारे में बताइए।
मुझे लगता है ये दो दोस्त आजू बाजू में बैठे हैं, इन्होंने ऐसी लड़ाइयाँ कभी की होंगी जो निखर के आई है स्क्रीन पे, क्योंकि मैं तो आदर्श को पहली बार मिला था इस फिल्म में। तो कहा जाता है ना, रियल लाइफ से कुछ चीजें आती हैं।
ऐसी लड़ाई आप दोनों के बीच में हुई है कभी?
बहुत।
हाँ बहुत। जब हम लोग जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा लिख रहे थे, तो नेबर्स ने हनी आंटी को फोन किया और बोला हनी घर पे सब ठीक है, बहुत लाउड वॉइसेस आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग एक दूसरे पे चिल्ला रहे थे।
ओके, ऑलराइट। जोया, राइटर बाप होता है ये तो हम जानते हैं कि आप ये यकीन करती हैं, और आपके बाप साहब जावेद साहब इस आइडियोलॉजी के लिए कि राइटर बहुत ज़रूरी होता है एक प्रोडक्शन में, उनकी इतनी प्यारी हीरोइक स्टोरीज हैं कि उन्होंने भाई किसी डायरेक्टर को बोला कि पहले स्क्रिप्ट मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगा, पहले आप बोलिए इस रकम के लिए आप तैयार हैं कि नहीं। दैट जस्ट शोज द conviction a writer has over his work.
In the middle, it had gotten very bad. I think it's picking up and getting better. I think the Screenwriters Association, SWA, has done a lot of very good work. They've come together and they're really putting down certain templates that writers can follow and be protected by. I think streaming has also helped because that is a writer's medium, because it's long form. And most of those writers are showrunners, and people are reacting to those to that work, and they are recognizing writing. But there's a long way to go until we don't realize that if you don't have a strong foundation, everything is shaky. You can get away sometimes, maybe with one hit song or star power or something, but eventually for something to last and to have resonance over decades, you need a foundation, and that foundation comes only from the writing.
That's true.
It comes only from the story. It comes only from characters. We go back. What are the films you repeat watch?
Yeah.
You repeat watch films where the character stayed with you, where where the conflict stayed with you. Those are the films you go back to and watch. So as long as people realize that, I mean, it'll get. Our films will get better.
But producers पूछते हैं राइटर कौन है ये बताओ. Have you come to that space?
I mean, definitely producers are. Every time I meet a producer, they say there are not enough writers.
Okay.
Where are the writers? But they will nurture. They are the ones that have to nurture the writers.
Yeah.
They have to pay people enough so that they don't have to do too many jobs to run their homes. Where they can focus, they can take that time out and only work on your script. So for that, they need to be compensated. So I think it's slowly happening, and I hope it gets better.
Yeah. And Shashank, there was this last shot on you where you had just come out of a disease, your body was not looking very attractive. Just the expression you gave and the glance between Nasir and Shafiq's character was the climax of the film. I was stunned to see the emotional resonance and the power of that scene. The expression you gave, how he received, how both of you looked. Tell me, एक actor को कब ये लगता है that I'm doing a good job, I have arrived, I'm getting what I wanted out of life?
I think that's death for any artist. Huh? If you're satisfied and you say, मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया and इससे बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था, फिर क्या point? Phil, I think you're taking yourself too seriously, maybe you're 100 years old and you've seen the whole world. I'm not at that stage right now. I'm not as experienced right now to be able to say, wow, I feel happy when when the director says, hey, this worked. When someone likes something where I feel or resonate with the character, I feel happy, but I honestly don't think there's a moment where I'm like, this, यही करना था और हो गया. I think घर जाते हो तुम और 10 regret होती हैं और 10 खुशियाँ भी होती हैं. And that one moment you're talking about is the work of 500 people over a period of 2 years to reach that one moment, which thankfully worked for you. But thank you for saying that. It means a lot that you've said that. And hopefully I'll keep trying to get better and more real. Or and completely forget the sense of wanting to look good, because I think it's very boring when actors want to look good, and
Yeah, it is.
You know, it's very
You're
boring.
right.
Like,
That's
you
what
don't
I
see
was
people just
saying.
want to look good, right?
Exactly.
So I try more and more to just sit with my finger in the nose in front of the camera and be like, "Kya badi baat hai?" You know.
God, you didn't do that.
This is how the climax sort of just end you for a whole thing. But it's about inhibition and losing
Yeah.
it. If you love telling your stories, then you'll stop caring कि मेरा हाथ किधर है, मेरे बाल
हाँ,
कैसे हैं,
exactly.
because वो थोड़ा that's someone
Yeah.
else's job.
Yeah.
उस सीन के बारे में एक चीज जिस पे बात नहीं हुई, रीमा, दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, काफी समय से काम कर रहा हूँ, फैंटम पे शूट हो रहा था, बिकॉज मैंने अभी तक काम नहीं किया ऐसा, फैंटम पे शूट हो रहा था, बिकॉज वो जो कुछ निकल के आ रहा है ना, उसके पीछे जिन लोगों ने सोचा है वो बहुत बड़े हिस्सेदार हैं कि वो पता नहीं कितने फ्रेम पर सेकंड पे वो शूट हो रहा था.
Yeah, you should explain what Phantom
Yeah,
is. People
yeah.
don't know.
It's an extreme high-speed camera,
Ah.
you know, and I took the call.
It's 500
to-
frames, I think.
And
You
in
can go
night,
even higher.
Even higher.
But I mean, and it's difficult to shoot because you need a lot of light and all of that. But I just decided to go with that because you know, I wanted this extremely larger than life quality about the climax.
Yeah.
जो आप बोल रहे हैं, you know, you've got a film and it's ending on. If you see the climax, you know, there's very little drama, but it
Yeah.
really kind of
But there is
evokes
real
a lot
drama.
of stuff.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's why the Phantom.
या और जब लाइट जलती थी ना उसकी, तो ऐसा लगता था छोटा सूरज मालेगांव में उतर आया है. इतनी लाइट,
जितने आंसू
Because
थे सब
night
एक
में-
बार में सूख जाते थे.
दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब ये
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस कभी नहीं किया था, एंड थैंक यू फॉर दैट, कि वो कभी पता ही नहीं था. मैं जाके पूछता था ये क्या है, इतनी लाइट क्यों चाहिए,
Yeah.
तो वो सीन के पीछे एक मैजिक ये भी है.
और उससे बड़ा मैजिक ये है कि जावेद साहब हैज रिटन द लिरिक्स
Yeah.
of the
Bande.
film. कहाँ है जावेद साहब? कहाँ है इस Is he at home?
हवाओं में है वो.
Yeah.
Okay. What an amazing movie of inspiration. I look forward to watching it on the big screen, and all the best for all.
Thank
of
you
us.
so
Thank you,
much.
thank you so much.